Hello my fellow YouTubers, back again. I'm doing a curry tonight for the kids, but I'm sick to death. I keep going to the supermarket and buying and getting ripped off by buying chicken breasts. So I thought, do you know what? I might as well just buy a full chicken and just cut it up, and it's just way cheaper. It's probably half price. You get two nice breasts with it, and the legs and the thighs and the wings. You can use it all. And even with the carcass you can make soup and stews, you can do stock, you can do anything with it. So let's get to it. Right, well, I'm no butcher by any means, but I've got an idea what to do it. I'm going to chop this chicken up, but the reason why I'm doing it is because chicken breasts are quite expensive now in the supermarket, so I just thought cut the breast off, cut the legs off, and you've got a couple of meals there, so let's get to it. Right, first of all, what I'm going to do is just cut the legs off. So you see his leg, and then there's the thigh there, so there's a natural seam here, so I'm just going to go straight down like this, straight to the bone, yeah. Like this. I'm just going to snap the leg, and hopefully same again. So nice meal there. So just going to go along here. There. Now for the wings. Break that knuckle. Straight through. Just going to get rid of that. You can go in soups. Good flavour in that. Right. Just going to go. There's a line here. Just going to go a couple of millimetres where you feel it pushing into it there. I'm just going to straight along there like this. Straight down to the bone. And then I'm just going to gently cut the meat away from the bone like this. There we have nice chicken breast. Same again on this side. So, get rid of that. So, 2 large, should I say it, breast. I've got 2 thighs, 2 legs, and 2 wings. A little bit of meat left on here, but that can go straight in a pan of boiling water with some bay, some thyme, some rosemary, stock pot, and you've got the basic of a base of a stew or a soup, including that as well.